As soon as he came in, he was able to do the jobs that we needed him to.
Ashley Francis is a supervisor at Thompson International, a company that makes various products for the drilling industry. She's impressed with Brandon Lovell, a recent hire who was trained at MTC's Earle C. Clements Job Corps Center.
I'm glad I went to Job Corps because it opened up opportunities.
Brandon loves his new job and is making good financial progress at this stage of his life.
I'm making more money than most people do right out of high school and college.
Job Corps gave Brandon the tools he needed to launch a successful new career. Ashley recognizes the excellent training young people receive at Job Corps.
It gives them experience, hands-on experience there. That way they'll be ready when they're going to a job.
Small
pegs, yeah.
They come to us well-trained, and we don't really have to work with them as much as we would someone that is coming from somewhere else.
My family was really proud of me.
Brandon knows he's on the right track and thanks Job Corps for the chance to move ahead in life. He says a lot of young people could benefit from the program.
Some people, they can't afford to go to big colleges or universities.
He's fitting right in at his new job, and the company values his work ethic and contributions.
Brandon fits well with Thompson International because he's willing to do anything that I ask him to do. Anytime that I need him to stay later, he offers to stay late, come in on weekends if I need him to. He's willing to do that.